We're elevating a humble and stale paksiw tonight. You won't believe the result. It is delicious. Join me here at my small kitchen and find out how. Hello, how are you tonight? Romulo here, welcome to my small kitchen. I have here paksiw. If you're foreign to the dish, it's just fish which is stewed in onion and vinegar, salt and pepper. That's how simple it is. It's on its second day already. I ate some portion yesterday and I would like to elevate this too by frying it. Yes, it's a proven formula. Most fish stews first fry the fish and then add tomato sauce or any sauce to it and stew it. Frying caramelizes the surface or braces it, and it gives an extra flavor, richer flavor. Paksiw, or cooking it in vinegar and spices, essentially marinates the fish. Not just cooks, but marinates it. Now we'll fry it. I'm lazy, I don't want to clean this stove later, so I'm using an air fryer. Now it runs. Let's just wait 22 minutes. Look at this. And the sauce, I'm not throwing this away, I'm re-adding it. This is almost an instant escabeche. Don't forget to come back, we'll be cooking that later. Who can resist this? I'm going to eat it with rice, of course. But first, let's taste the paksiw, fried paksiw, and dip it in the spice vinegar sauce. Wonder. Believe me. It's double the flavor. I'll do this again. So enhance your paksiw. Make it more delicious and appetizing. Fry it and re-add the sauce. Don't miss more videos like this here on Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. I think it's also good without the rice. And if you plan to eat this with alcohol, it goes well with beer or rosé.